This is one of the better part of my jobs, where I get to test old and new products against each other, and I love being able to see the progress that we make as a team, as a company, in general. It's just fun. This is the fine tip marker that I'm writing with. You can see it's got a really fine tip on it. And the old marker is a broad tip, which is below. And so we're just gonna do a quick little test to see how much different the old formula is from the new formula. And we're gonna heat these both up with a heat gun, and we're just gonna send it. And we'll see how it works. Man, that fine tip really is fine. Okay, here we go. Dang, that was fast. The old one can't even hold a candle to the new one. That's insane. I think we know the results already. Check it out. Light years ahead. So excited.